Good morning to the English class, class 8th students. Now, today we are going to take one topic in the writing skills, and that is diary entry. Now, let me tell you, children, what is diary. As you all know, every year on a New Year's Eve, most of you make resolutions and you try to write your own diary, isn't it? Yes, most of you purchase diary also. Diary writing, I should say, it is a good habit. Let me tell you, one I have seen one officer, an IPS officer, who was interviewed, and her interview was on number one. This thing in the panel, and when she was asked about her own personality, she said, "I write diary." And I was viewing that video. I was very happy to know that she was the topper of all the interviewers. I think that diary writing is one of the best way to improve one's personality, children. If we write diary, in other words, I can say that diary is our friend, because we know what is our strong point, what are our weak points. So it is a good habit. This is what I feel. And all of you should write a diary. So let us start what is diary writing. Diary entry is an informal and personal form of writing. A diary entry can be based on a personal experience, daily happenings, or any important event of personal or public life. Most of the great men keep diaries in which they record their daily happenings and other important activities. In other words, diaries give a glimpse of the past incidents of a person's life. In fact, we come to know about the lives of great people through the information recorded in their diaries. Anne Frank is one such personality. Anne Frank was born to Jewish parents in 1925 in Frankfurt. In 1933, her family fled from the terror of the National Socialists to Amsterdam. After the German troops invaded the Netherlands, Anne Frank and her family hid in the rear annex to a house in Amsterdam. There, Anne Frank wrote her world famous diary. Anne Frank died in 1945 at the age of 15. Her diary was published after her death. Now let us see some important points. What are the important points to write guidelines for writing a diary? A diary is generally written at night. This way the day's happening can be recorded. Next point, children, the language and tone is generally informal and personal. Next point, personal pronoun can be used. A diary entry can include your personal secrets, joys, sorrows and fears. You should not allow anybody to read your diary, as it is a record of your personal feelings and emotions. Now, here is an example format how to write a diary. Here is a sample, just see. Imagine yourself to be Poonam. Write a diary entry describing the surprise visit paid by your parents on Delhi. Now just see the format of the diary. The format is the day and date towards the left side. Then you will write Dear Diary. It is optional whether you write or not. Then the trees, then time towards the right side. Then body text contains a personal account of the happenings of the day. The language is informal. Now see, you will go through this sample just now. I am going to read it. Saturday 18th October 2020, or you can say July 9th July 2020. Need not worry about date. So see, I am reading. Today was a very eventful day as my parents gave me a surprise. They gave me a Diwali gift. It is the best gift that I have received so far. Can you guess what it is? Well, it is an iPhone. Now I can play my favorite games. I can also talk to my best friend, Alka, without any hassle. It has a very good camera and I am sure it will prove an excellent social network working experience through WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. I don't have words to thank my parents. Good night, diary. Here you have seen an example. Now let us, here is a solved example for you. I am going to read, all of you will write these solved examples in your copy. You are a resident of Kashmir's famous Lal Bagh area. Recently, your state suffered a lot due to heavy rainfall. As a result, your area was flooded. You had to abandon your home and live in a relief camp. Many people were injured. Make a diary entry recording your experiences in the relief camp. Now, you will write this in your copy. If you have any difficulty in comprehending the solved examples, you can ask in the live class and live session, because all these words which I discussed yesterday, I very well remember. Glimpses and many more words I can see here. You asked me like abandon yesterday when we were doing glimpses of the past. So see, this is what, when we write important words and try to find the meaning, it helps in the other skills also. So here I can say that writing the word meaning, tracing out, making the sentence, using in your own sentence is very, very important to enrich your language. Right, children? So I am just reading because many of the students find difficulty sometimes to pronounce. And abandon here means to leave, give up. Yesterday also we discussed. So today I am reading the solved example. Then two more examples will be given. You will write in your copy. Dear diary, today is my 5th day at the relief camp. Life here is very tough. We had to leave our home as water reached the first floor. Thank God we are safe, but life is far from normal. The army jawans are doing their best to provide assistance, but it is not enough. There is a shortage of food, clean drinking water, medicines, and warm clothes. While living within the comfort of my house, I had never realized that life could be such a pain. My sister has fever since the past 2 days. She has received no medical attention up till now. I pray to God that this phase gets over soon and we are able to return back home. I don't want to live in this small hell anymore. Simi. Now children, next page we will switch to. I am reading these questions. Go through it. You witnessed a quarrel among some children of your colony. Make a diary entry giving an account of the quarrel, giving some suggestions to avoid such quarrels in future. And next question is, it was the happiest day of your life when your class teacher informed you that you have been selected as the best sportsman of the year. You are thrilled as now you will receive the award at the annual day celebration. Make a diary entry recording your feelings in it. I hope children you have understood what has been disseminated so far on the topic diary. Thank you children.